What's up, y'all? Welcome back to Cher and Ron show. We are about to do a makeup challenge because she thinks that she can do makeup better than me.
I know I can.
She thinks she can. So we got this whole little thing that's been going on, and she challenged me. She called me out. So I'm here. So this is the girlfriend versus boyfriend makeup challenge, but it's kind of intense right now because we got like 4 or 5 different cameras set up right now, like, and we actually live as we speak or whatever. So yeah, it's a lot going on. So this is kind of intense. We had people send us looks, and
we finally decided on one. Vote for Cher.
Vote Team Ron.
Nope, Team Ron. Team Cher.
Yeah, Team Ron. She know. No. So I actually, I don't do makeup. I know how to do makeup. So I went to Walmart and I found the blackest foundation I could find. This is from the Wesley Snipes collection. I don't know if y'all can see that. I got like all these cameras, so y'all have to excuse, but the Wesley Snipes collection, this is actually Espresso 380. Yeah. It's about to go down. If y'all watching this on live, make sure y'all vote Team Ron, because I'm finna kill this look. It's weird. It's just like all these cameras.
We've never filmed this many cameras before.
I know. Dang, it's like 5 of them. So we just finna jump into it or whatever. I got my shirt that I don't care about, so if I get makeup on it.
Same.
I was gonna shave, but I didn't wanna.
Oh, give me the advantage, so we're good.
Nah, I'm finna say I ain't wanna after I wash this off my face lose the only thing that make me look partially like an adult.
Oh, he's not even priming or nothing. He don't know what.
Let me explain something to you.
He don't know what he's doing. Ooh,
listen,
crap. Sorry.
Let me explain something to y'all. It's just like when I do music, I don't follow the guidelines that you're supposed to. The only thing that matter is the end result. So if the end result look good, it don't matter how I got to get to that point. Long as the end result look good, that's all that matters. So yeah, y'all might see that I'm not doing it the proper way.
It's not proper. It just.
Y'all might see I'm not doing it the proper way, but I'm doing it and it's gonna look good at the end of the day. So that's all that matters, right? After we done doing our makeup, y'all vote who did it better. And then after y'all announce who's the winner, we're gonna announce who's the winner of the giveaway that we're doing. So it's a lot going on right now. Hey, I need some juice or something. All right, let's jump into this. Let me get this popping. Like she, I'm gonna. Can I have some?
Do what you want.
That stuff you just sprayed. I just need.
This is a primer.
This is so it sets.
No, that's not setting spray. That's
not
primer.
set. That's what I said.
I should have warned you. Okay.
I smell good. All right, we both wear glasses.
Right, so I'm over here trying to light.
We both wear glasses. It's a bunch of cameras and it's a bunch of lights.
So
it's kind of hard to read, so bear with us.
Okay.
Oh, look, I'm getting it on the microphone.
Look, you don't even know what you're doing.
All right, here we go. Y'all should see this whole table. It's a long table and it's just covered with makeup.
It's so funny because this didn't even put a dent in what I got upstairs.
Yeah, and then like upstairs where she be filming at, it's more makeup. It's
These
crazy.
Are damp frames.
Here we go. Yep. What? This is finna be a breeze.
Hey, make sure y'all sharing if you're just hopping on. I'm about to whoop his butt real quick.
If y'all just getting on right now, this is the look that we doing. Y'all have to excuse me moving the look back and forth because, like I said, it's a bunch of different cameras down here right now. And yeah, so yeah, I'm a Ron tour my face today. Ron tour, like
really.
All right. See, the key to doing makeup is blending. You have to blend. You know what I'm saying? You gotta blend. So I just spent all this money on this thing and I ain't even use it. So
all this money, really?
If it's any mocha colored people out there, espresso colored people, I'm feeling generous. You can have this. I'm just gonna show y'all the final look because I'm gonna be filming on YouTube for about 60 minutes straight. So I'm gonna cut and I'm just gonna show y'all the final product, and y'all tell us who won. Leave your comments down below. Tell us who won. And
hashtag whoever you think. Team Ron, Team Cher.
Team
Hashtag
Ron, Team Cher. Team Ron, Team Cher. Team Ron, Team Ron. All right.
Cher.
So here we go. It's about to go down.
Make sure y'all hashtag and Team Cher.
All right, y'all. So this ended up being our final look. What do y'all think? I did it, right? I did it. Very good job. Unlike
and managed to ruin my palette. So
I ain't ruined the palettes.
look at my blue. Look at my blue. Is that cracked? Is
No,
my blue cracked?
That's not cracked. That's all you gotta do is pat it back down.
He cracked my blue.
Make sure y'all vote. Comment down below Team Ron or Team Cher. Make sure y'all follow us. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, like this video, share this video, and we will be doing a giveaway.
We are doing a giveaway, so make sure you participate.
And it's not a gas station counter gift. So
no lighters.
No lighters, no USB
USBs.
cord, no energy, the 5-hour energy.
Right.
None of that. It's a real good gift. So y'all make sure y'all let us know who won.
And let us know if there's anything else you want us to do. Any other challenges out there that we don't know about that you want us to do.
Yeah.
We're open.
We're open.
To do anything. So.
Yep. Other couples. And make sure y'all contact us. Here's our email that just popped up. Make sure that y'all follow us on our Instagram that just popped up.
We'll see you guys in our next video.
Peace, chicken grease, and hairspray.